All right, anyways, we just got back from picking up the lift kit for my truck. We had to go pick it up from the shipper ourselves because it was supposed to be delivered like the last 2 days, and it just wasn't showing up, and it's hard for me to get somebody else to be here to receive the delivery whenever I got work and stuff. I can't really just keep taking off hoping it's going to show up. So here it is. I'll be getting it out here soon and going through everything and make sure it's all there. So hopefully all is good. We'll find out soon. I turned the truck around. It'll be a lot easier to get the parts inside. Should have did this the first time. If he'd speed it up, we could get on with the process. He's trying to make it sound like it has horsepower. The thing has 0. Come on. Any day. There she is. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Last video I was talking about how I had a lift coming in. Good news, it came in. I had to pick it up myself from the shipper because they weren't getting it here like I wanted to. I already started cutting this open too because we already tried starting this video, but he sucks at recording. Anyways, we gotta keep that. So, I got a 6-inch Stryker 4-link lift for my Ram 3500.
But you needed the Ford to get it here.
Yeah, I needed a Ford to get it here, I guess. It wasn't even doing anything. It was not connected to anything. And I need something to break this one open. Can you give me some pliers? They're down there in the bottom of that thing. So, once I get this freaking thing unwrapped, I gotta go through every part and make sure I have it all. That's step one. But it's fully boxed, it has the billet face plates, and I'm excited to freaking look at it. No. Yeah, I'm pumped. I can't wait to see this. Been waiting forever. I saw what it looked like sort of on some pictures that they sent me in an email before they remilled it. These are U-bolts, so I don't really want to look at this right now. Got some hardware.
You can get your U-bolts Cerakoted.
I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. All I know is I want them to be chrome.
Yeah, got them Cerakoted chrome.
Dude, this is a big, long box. Put this one up here. This is a tough unboxing considering I don't know how to open any of these boxes. Really sealed these up good. God. We got a lot of tape on here. A whole lot of tape. Alright, can't complain about the wrapping job. They do a pretty good job. Don't think I gotta worry about anything being messed up. Oh, dude, this is close. Okay, this is gonna be one of the springs. I'm not a very efficient unboxer. Is the suspense killing you guys yet?
No.
Oh, it's killing me. Been waiting 2 months for this thing. 2 months. Oh, I see the color through the stuff. Okay. I'm gonna have to wrap everything back up. Oh my god. Dude, it's completely taped. Hang on. Not completely, it's mostly taped. I hope we got more wrap or some packing tape. Oh my god, dude. Oh boy. Get excited. Eventually. Open up. We're gonna have to skip some other parts to open up the other stuff. Oh my God. That is freaking baller. Seriously, dude, that looks awesome.
Dude, that looks good with the orange.
Get out of here. This isn't good.
I'm serious.
That looks nuts. Can you
You
see the color change in that?
Yeah.
That is so much better than I could have even imagined it would have looked. It's sweet. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of this unpacked and laid out in the living room, and then we'll look at the rest of it there. Oh my God, dude. I don't want to scratch anything that's inside of it. There we go.
One eternity later.
Holy smokes. Look at this end link, dude. That is a monster. That's the biggest end link I've ever seen. That's girthy. Alright. So one thing that they did different on my lift than what they normally do is normally they give you drop brackets for your sway bar in the front of the truck. And this time they're switching the lift kits over, and from my understanding, I think I might have got the first one where now they're just doing either, I don't know if they're the same end links that they've been doing or if they're just different ones for the front ends now. So I don't have a drop bracket, I just got some really girthy end links. And then this is just mounts, different mounts from the kit. All stainless steel hardware. Don't gotta worry about anything rusting or looking ugly. Stuff for my U-bolts. Yep, looks like U-bolts. Nothing special. Alright. We'll have to get those chromed or something. Maybe later down the road though. Oh boy. Oh my God. There's so much shit. There's a lot of shit crammed in here. Process. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my God. Can you believe that's going under my truck? That thing is sweet. Pretty sweet. Look, got the whole squad here unwrapping things for me. Makes things go by a little quicker because the tape is tough. And you got little homeboy here chilling, watching it all go down. Looking good. All right, got them all unwrapped now. Got my drop brackets here. Radius arm drop bracket, I guess. Look at that. Looks nice. Look at that. Looking nice. Looking nice. Got my lower bars for my front. And then my upper bars. Got the, I don't know what you call it. It's like the little faceplate thing that goes above your springs.
Those look cool. I didn't even see this when I opened it.
Yeah. But that's all the parts. Oh, my blocks for the back go under the leaf spring. Look at that color change. And these welds that they have are just freaking perfect all the way around. Every weld I've looked at so far looks amazing. So super happy with that. Look at that color. I'm gonna have to go get these things in some better light and show you what the color looks like a little better. All right, here's what it looks like in here's what it looks like in the light. Man, the color does not come through like it does in person, but you can see a little bit how in certain areas how it's kind of got like a chameleon look to it. Yeah, you can see it a lot in some spots like there. But it looks good. We just put it underneath my brother's truck with his rock lights, and you can really see the way that the color changes. There you go. Good example.
I want to put your radius armor underneath my truck.
Yeah, no, we're gonna put it underneath my truck.
That's gay.
Except I'm not gonna crawl into there because it's been pretty crappy weather. For size reference, here's the drop bracket for the 4-link bars. It's huge. I mean, look at the girth on that sucker.
Hate that word.
That's okay. And then here's this bad boy. Here's the one of the bottom arms. I mean, it is thick. I don't know what is that, like 1/4-inch steel or something, probably 3/16. I don't know. It's big.
My Lego.
I cannot express to you guys how excited I freaking am.
Deb.
Got a couple more weeks and this will be on. Unfortunately, okay. All right, my fiance, as I have to say or I get yelled at. Anyways, wants me to show you this block.
My Lego.
She thinks it's a Lego. This is a block for the back, in case you don't know what it is, okay? The leaf spring sits on it. There's not much to it. It's about all there is. But, anyways, the unfortunate thing is, as you can see by our garage here, there's not much space. And my truck doesn't really fit very well in here. So, and it wouldn't be able to get out after we lifted it either without ripping the freaking header out of the door. So, unfortunately, I have to take it somewhere else to get done. But I will say that the people that are going to be doing it do a great job. So, I can't really complain too much. It's just going to cost me a little bit more than I was originally intending. So, but as soon as it gets done, I'm going to have plenty more videos about it. I'm going to do one in-depth video to go over it because I know whenever I was trying to look for a kit, or a Stryker kit for my truck, there's literally none on all of YouTube somehow. I don't know how there's not a single video showing a Stryker lift kit on a Ram, like in depth. There's like literally 2 and none of them are in depth. So you will be seeing that shortly, I suppose. All right, so this is a couple days from the rest of the time we opened everything else because Stryker had forgotten to send me my shocks with my lift. But that's okay, because they were pretty awesome, customer service-wise. And they got it taken care of really fast. It was a couple days later that I got my shocks. So they just showed up today. Let's see. They're supposed to be, these are supposed to be the, what is it, the level, the L3 shocks. This is like their brand. They're supposed to be equivalent to like Fox 2.0, except these ones actually come with a warranty unlike Fox. So, and there's no stickers. And these things are awesome.
I'm surprised they're not compressed.
So they actually do have Stryker branding on, which I didn't think that they did, but they're like right here. So you see those Stryker branded shocks, if it focuses, there we go. No stickers, which I love. They're all aluminum, so they're not gonna rust, which is awesome, obviously. That's gonna suck.
You're not compressing
I'm glad I'm
that.
the one putting that on.
I know, I'm surprised they don't have them like automatically
So,
compressed.
These ones are the
Already.
front shocks, so I guess I'll just open up the other one just to make sure that everything's good, but. Yeah, I'm a little kind of surprised that they're not compressed either.
Mine
Again,
were.
the only other time I've ever bought shocks, well, actually yours were compressed from BDS.
Yeah, I know mine were.
And then mine were compressed. Well, mine were BDS, or from BDS too, but they're
Were they?
Fox shocks. But They might be the same exact size.
No.
No, I lied. Never mind. No, they're not. Okay, yeah, these ones are a little smaller. But they look pretty nice. Can't wait to see how they work on the truck. But